Number 1. The 1965 Oldsmobile Cutlass, priced at $8,000, is in relatively good condition, especially considering its restoration, which was done in the mid-1980s. This car is equipped with a 455 big block engine with a 10.5.1 compression ratio and a Holley 750 carburetor, delivering excellent performance. Additionally, it features a stainless steel exhaust system and a 350 Hydra-Matic transmission. The vehicle has been modified with a Chevy 12-bolt Posey rear with a 4:11 gear ratio, making it ideal for acceleration. The car's physical condition shows some wear on the paint and interior, but overall it remains presentable. It has drum brakes on all 4 wheels, and the floor, trunk, and rocker panels are all solid. The owner has kept and stored it in a garage for the past 24 years and has been the sole owner for 39 years. Number 2. The 1968 Mercury Cougar Hardtop, priced at $4,200. This restored car features a custom-built 302 cubic inch small block engine, an elegant interior with a center console, high back bucket seats, a wood steering wheel, a black vinyl roof, and factory light Aqua 6K paint that is highly attractive. The car comes with a floor-shifted automatic transmission, and the engine is painted blue on the block and cylinder heads with an open air cleaner, aluminum intake, 4-barrel carburetor, and Ford Racing logo aluminum valve covers. The ignition system includes an MSD distributor, coil, and spark plug wires, along with factory-style headers installed in the engine bay. The interior features aqua-colored high-back bucket seats, a matching rear bench and door panels, a wood steering wheel, a wood grain dashboard with complete gauges and controls, a center console with storage and armrest, and accessories such as a factory tachometer, radio, overhead console, XR7 aqua floor mats, and a moonroof. Externally, the car sports a deep, glossy 6K light aqua paint, chrome trim, chrome front and rear bumpers, dual exhaust, hidden headlights, and chrome mag wheels paired with black tires, giving it a classic and luxurious appearance. Number 3. The 1974 Dodge Dart, priced at $9,000. This Mopar version comes with a 3-speed automatic transmission. The 318 engine has been modified with 340 cylinder heads, a Holley intake, and a new Holley 4-barrel carburetor. It is also equipped with stainless steel headers and exhaust pipes, providing a distinctive and powerful sound. A new, stronger starter has been installed, and there are no oil leaks. The car's paint isn't perfect, but still looks quite good. The seats are in good condition without any holes. This vehicle is a daily driver, although there are a few small things that need to be addressed. The owner does not accept trade offers. Number 4. The 1967 Ford Mustang, priced at $9,500. This blue car with a black interior and automatic transmission is powered by a 6-cylinder engine with power steering. It is in running condition, and the engine works, but it is a small project as it needs some repairs, evidenced by a few parts found in the trunk, including headliner fabric. The odometer shows 19,000 miles, but this may not be accurate as the odometer only has 5 digits. It is commercially taxed and does not require additional inspection. Number 5. The 1979 Plymouth Valere Roadrunner, priced at $10,000, is in excellent condition. This vehicle has a 360 engine and a 727 3-speed automatic transmission. The exterior is red with the characteristic Roadrunner stripes, and the interior is original and the same color as when it left the factory. It comes with original mag tires and some additional parts included in the sale. The car has recently passed SAI-Q inspection and is registered with current plates. Additionally, the car comes with complete documentation from the previous and current owners, including proof of engine repairs. The car has never been used in the winter and has always been well stored. The seller is the 3rd owner since the car was first released in 1979. Number 6. The 1971 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme, priced at $6,400, is still running and in good mechanical condition. Externally, there is some wear on the paint and rust in a few areas, particularly at the rear, indicating that the car needs further restoration. The interior is relatively clean and well maintained, though there is a small tear in the stitching of the front seat that needs repair. Although the car can still be used as a daily driver, its condition requires more attention to reach its full potential. The powerful 355 rocket engine is still installed, with a transmission believed to be original and in good condition. Overall, this car has unique characteristics and still manages to draw attention. Number 7. The 1964 Buick Wildcat, priced at $9,500, is powered by a 7.0-liter engine and a 400 transmission. Although the car does not come with AC, it has the rare feature of a rear seat foot heater. Several new parts have been installed, including a radiator, heater core, intake gasket, exhaust manifold gasket, and dual exhaust system. The engine oil and transmission fluid, as well as coolant, have also been replaced. The car is claimed to be in perfect driving condition with all components functioning properly. The underside of the car is still original with no welding or repairs. All 5 tires are in good condition. There is no play in the steering, and the suspension is also in good condition. The headlights have been replaced with modern models. Although there are some dents and imperfections on the body, this is to be expected given the car's age of over 60 years. Number 8. The 1975 Pontiac Grandville, priced at $10,000, retains its original specifications. The car's exterior is white with an electric convertible top, also white. The interior is dominated by white seats and burgundy upholstery, creating an elegant contrast. The car is equipped with a large 455 7.5-liter engine with a Rochester 4-barrel carburetor, paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission. The 15-inch rally wheels with HP 4000 tires give it a classic look. The car's dual exhaust system is maintained for optimal performance. With 91,000 miles, the car has been well cared for, never used in the winter, and always stored in a heated garage during the winter, showing great care in its maintenance. The paint, engine, and overall car are still in original condition, emphasizing that this car is very well preserved and authentic. Number 9. The 1977 Chrysler Cordoba, priced at $8,500, is in excellent condition considering its age. The interior is still original with well-preserved cloth seats, although they show slight signs of wear, which is normal for a car of this age. The dashboard and instrument panel are complete and in good condition, with no significant damage to the interior or exterior of the car. The gold paint is shiny with no signs of rust or major damage. It is powered by the original 360 cubic inch engine, which is claimed to still run smoothly, and the car passed a safety inspection 2 years ago, although it has not been driven much since then. The car is said to be road-ready with no repairs needed. Number 10. The 1964 Imperial Crown, priced at $5,900, is powered by a 413 CI 4-barrel engine. The car is still drivable and starts easily. Fuel system has been repaired, including cleaning the gas tank and replacing the fuel lines from front to back. It has several factory features such as black leather interior, Roman red metallic paint, also known as Spanish red for the Imperial model, push-button automatic transmission, power windows and brakes, as well as a chrome-plated right mirror and an automatically adjustable left mirror. Some parts need repair, including the front left fender, which is dented and needs fixing. The car also comes with parts to repair the brakes. The overall condition indicates that this car requires additional TLC, but with good restoration potential given its rarity and historical value. Number 11. The 1971 Buick Skylark Custom, priced at $10,000, has undergone a complete restoration approximately 2,500 miles ago. The car is powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 engine and an automatic transmission, both of which were rebuilt during the restoration process. A GS package was also added, including a special hood with air intakes, matching GS air cleaner, complete GS grille, and 15-inch x 7-inch chrome Buick sport wheels. The Quadrajet carburetor on the car has also been rebuilt. The entire body has been redone, with nearly no rust, and it has spent most of its winters in Victoria. The car passed the latest safety certification on March 6, 2024, with an oil and filter change also performed at that time. The only major issue found was a non-functioning windshield washer motor. Number 12. The 1959 Pontiac Laurentian, priced at $7,200. This car has been modified into a truck. The exterior has been repainted in matte black, and modifications to the rear give it a classic truck appearance. The front retains the original characteristics of the Pontiac, with its distinctive grille design. The interior shows signs of aging, with elements like the fabric upholstery on the seats being worn, and some parts of the floor that appear unfinished or not fully covered. The vehicle is equipped with a 6-cylinder engine and a 5-speed manual transmission. Although its appearance shows signs of wear and requires some repairs, the car is still drivable and available for sale. Number 13. The 1970 Oldsmobile Delta 88, priced at $8,000. The car is in very good condition with most parts remaining original, both interior and exterior. Mechanically, the car has never experienced any issues, including in the suspension and engine. However, there are some shortcomings, such as the power steering pump that needs to be replaced, old and cracked tires, some tears in the seats, and paint peeling in a few places. Nevertheless, 95% of the paint still looks very good. This car could still be an attractive option for those who want to enjoy the end of summer in classic style. Number 14. The 1972 Oldsmobile Toronado, priced at $4,000. This is a survivor car that retains its original condition without ever being restored. The car has only 51,000 miles, indicating that it has rarely been used. The only modification done is the removal of the vinyl roof, and the clear coat is starting to peel. Despite this, the engine and overall condition of the car are said to still be very good, or runs like number one, with even the tires being original. However, the seller wants to part with it due to a lack of space. Visually, the car appears to be in fairly good condition, although there are signs of wear in the interior consistent with the car's age. Number 15. The 1970 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, priced at $4,000. This car is in restoration project condition. Generally, the body shows severe rust damage, especially around the body panels and floors. The interior is in very poor condition with extensive rust throughout the floor and inner cabin walls. The trunk also suffers from similar damage, with rusted and hole-riddled floors. The engine appears to be in very dirty and rusty condition, with some components seemingly non-functional for a long time. Although the frame is claimed to be in good condition without holes, the overall vehicle requires extensive restoration work, both on the body, interior, and engine. The car is being sold with a choice of either a 350 4-bolt engine or a Pontiac 400, depending on the buyer's preference. I think all the videos are very interesting to enjoy, bro, so go ahead.